Palladium this week has rise in value, we can see that, and then the price has dropped down. We can see that the price has formed bullish and bearish candles where the price is bouncing between 1024 and 974, which is the support level. So currently the price is inside the range area. On the weekly time frame, we can see how this looks, that the price is formed the bullish candles, then returned back down, and this week has closed as a small bearish candle with a small body with a larger wick on the upper side. So what we can make a conclusion here on the weekly time frame, currently the price is in between a great resistance level, which means 1089, and on the lower side support level 937. On the monthly time frame, we can see that the price is still in the downtrend, and we can see after the price has formed this bullish pin bar on the monthly time frame, the price continued to rise in value. We can see this bullish candle, and then the price has formed this small bearish candle, but this is the first week in this month, so we cannot make any big conclusions currently on the market, how the market is behaving, because we have 3 more weeks to see how the price behaves. But we can make a conclusion that the price is currently inside a strong support here at 937 and a stronger resistance at 1089. This needs to be broken in order to define what will be the next direction in the larger scale. For now, what I can see, this bullish pin bar is suggesting that the price will continue to rise in value. But on the weekly time frame, what I can see after the price has formed with this bullish breakout, going above, reaching this supply zone and then bouncing back down, did not make any bullish breakout attempts to upper side, the price will turn back down. So we have this candle here, and it is a very important level for the price, which means 979, which is 980, a very important support level that needs to be broken in order to see the price going even more down. So to define where the price could go, we should go here to the daily time frame just to see what happens here. Currently we can see that the price has formed this bullish, some kind of uptrend here. We can see it here. Let's change this one trend line to show only on the daily. Okay, and let's form this one also. Here we can see it, how the price is moving. Let's put this one on the daily time frame only. We can see that the price was going in the uptrend, in the small one, but has gone outside. And currently it is inside the range area, which means we need to see the price forming a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout in order to see the price going up or down. So on the daily time frame, we need to see what happens. But what I can see currently here, forming the price, I'm expecting to see the price going down to this demand zone support level, and then we'll see what happens. Will the price manage to make a bearish breakout going down or bullish breakout going up? This is something that needs to be seen on the daily time frame. It is something that I will watch and share with the traders inside the Telegram group. But for now, what I'm expecting to see the price going on the higher price level because of this uptrend, and we can see there is a strong support here currently on the market, and we can see a large wicks on the upper side, which means the bulls are trying to go up, trying to make a breakout to the upper side. And this is especially visible here on the Thursday when the price is formed this large wick, but then retrace for some reason because of this confluence of resistance. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.